Menteri Rangba ke Jylla Meghalaya Conrad kongkal Sangma uloong bagi sarkar Jylla kan persyang menbuat penwandu regi Pyntreikam bah kemat jangka Telengana Integrated Command and Control Center ICCC ha Meghalaya. Haga bau lepnya seria megane jaga peniat kum kawai pat nikid usaha babhata magari kabapenan kami gikor kibor bagi jingit trailang haga jing ai jing syakri pat ba. Haba ulahir jureb ya ka ICCC ha Hyderabad Conrad kongkal Sangma uloong bagi negara center ke lepeniat dan penjisha kumno ki kor ki bor teknologi ke jing penyaso ke data na jing tip bagi jing trailang ha peneng kita nak sarkar kala banken tiau bat penbahas ibu ni kurkom sensyar khadar banken penstat ke jing ai jing syakri sipat ba nong song Menteri Rangba uloong bagi negara jaga ke penyi nuksan ke bentak ki Jylla ke bakwa pengkela thamai ya ki rukom sensyar leng ba ki kor ki bor Telengana Integrated Command and Control Center kabala syim ba kadai na kum kiwen gijaga peniat bah kemat tamakari kawalam bat penia soalang gi tenat sarkar ki babuan ha kawai rensan ban pet ngor ban pendet bat ban pembiang gi jing dawa ke bedai ba kejing syikri pat ba kejing sensyar ha kejuk kapor.
So we are here in the Telangana Integrated Command and Control Center, and without any doubt this is most probably one of the best integrated command and control centers in the country, because it's not just the technology that they are using out here, but it is the system that they have developed to really coordinate and really ensure that the aspect of governance is improved and made better by ensuring technologies used, departments coordinate, and the overall services that they want to provide to the people become better. So it's a great example which I think many states should learn. And therefore, I have come personally myself to see the work going on here. And I can assure you that we will try to replicate as much as possible from what we have seen here in the Telangana Integrated Command and Control Center and try to replicate it back in our state of Meghalaya.